Hey guys, welcome to Nasike's Kitchen. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do. We'll really appreciate. Remember to like, comment and share. Today I'm going to show you a very simple recipe on how to make homemade crisps. The main ingredient that I'm going to use are Irish potatoes or waru, and if you have this kitchen tool that most of us use to peel the potatoes, guys, you can use the same to make the designs for your crisps. I'll show you how I did it. It's very simple. So after peeling, I started making the shape. You can see the way they are coming out so nicely, effortless. After that, I washed for about 3 times to remove the starch. Then I looked for a kitchen cloth. I arranged the pieces on top of it so that I could dab the water in them. So I'm arranging so that it can give me an easy time. So I'm dabbing the water in them. And I'll repeat the same process to also the others. Here they are. My cooking oil is ready. I'll add the pieces in the cooking oil and make sure that your cooking oil is heated well. I turn after they've cooked like 3 to 5 minutes. That's when I decided to turn. And then they cooked like 10 minutes and they were ready. You can see how crunchy they look. And I'll remove the excess oil and set them aside. Then I'll serve. You can see how lovely they look. Don't they look amazing? I've just added a pinch of salt and I'm shaking so that every piece can get the salt. You can see how crunchy it is. You should try out this recipe and let me know how it turned out. Remember to hit the subscribe button, comment, share. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.